Good morning everybody, students. Today I am going to discuss very important topic, permutations and combinations. To understand this topic, first of all we have to understand some basic concepts. One is factorial notation. So what is the meaning of factorial notation? The continuate product of first and natural numbers is called factorial n, and it is denoted by factorial n this sign. Now, with one example, if we have to find out the value of factorial 5, it means we will do the product of first 5 natural numbers. So what is this? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What this become? 5 4 ja 20, 3 ja 60. This is the 120. Another way, if there is an example, evaluate factorial 6 upon factorial 4, then how will we do the solution? Now look at this thing. Factorial 6 it means 6 5 4 3 2 1, but in denominator we are observing we have factorial 4, so 6 into 5 as it is we will write, and 4 3 2 1, because of continued product we will write down factorial 4, and this is also factorial 4. So 6 5 ja 30 is the answer. So like this, if we will solve some questions on the basis of this factorial, then we will be habitual to understand the meaning and to solve more questions. Now, what is the other part? Multiplication principle. To understand this concept, let's take in a class, if we have two boys and I am giving the name B1, B2, and three girls, I am giving the name G1, G2 and G3. Now, teacher want to select two monitor, one boy and one girl. Then what are the ways, and then what are the possible ways to teacher have? Now look at this thing. It may be B1 G1, B2 G2, sorry, B1 G2, B1 G3. Now B2 G1, B2 G2 and B2 G3. It means there are 6 ways to select the monitors. So on the basis of this, multiplication principle is saying if an event can occur in m different ways, suppose two boys, following which another event can occur in n different ways, suppose three girls, then total number of different ways of occurrence of the events in the given order is m into n. And here we are also observing 2 into 3, 6. It means how many ways are coming? 6. So this is the meaning of multiplication principle. Now let's another part, permutation. Permutation means arrangements of the objects or numbers. One more thing, combination. Combination means selection of objects or anything. So let's start with first permutation with one example. If I have three objects A, B, C, and I have to arrange two objects at a time. Two objects at a time. My question is this. इन तीन में से मैं दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को एक टाइम में अरेंज करना चाहता हूं, देन व्हाट आर द नंबर ऑफ वेज? लुक एट दिस थिंग. वो अरेंजमेंट ए बी भी हो सकता है, बी ए बी, इट मे बी ए सी, सी ए, it may be BC, CB. So now look at this thing. If out of these three objects, I am arranging two objects at a time, then what are the ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways. So what are the ways? 6 ways. Now look at this thing. On the basis of this, one theorem is developed. The number of permutation of n different objects taken are at a time, but condition of R, it should be greater than 0, less than and equals to n, such that the objects do not repeat is given by NPR factorial n upon factorial n minus r. This is very important points. Objects do not repeat. Now look at this thing. Here I have 3 objects. It means n is 3 and I am taking r at a time. It means 2 at a time. So according to this rule, factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 2, it means factorial 3 upon factorial 1, 3 into 2, what is this? 6. And in normal way, what was coming? 6 only. So because of this rule is developed. देखिए इजी वे में तो हम इसे ऐसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, but this rule is very important and prompt when we have the calculation at the upper end. It means at high level. So this rule will work at that time. Now what is the another way? Combination. Combination में क्या होता है? Selection. और permutation में क्या होता है? Arrangement. अब देखिए I have 3 objects and I want to take 2 objects at a time and I want to do selection. तो देखिए selection में वो 2A भी हो सकता है और AC और BC. AB और BA नहीं होगा, that is the case of arrangement. और यहां पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Selection. तो हमारे पास कितने वेज आए? 3 वेज. इसके लिए क्या रूल डेवलप हुआ है? NCR फैक्टोरियल n फैक्टोरियल r फैक्टोरियल n माइनस r. यहां पर कितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे? 3. हम कितने का सिलेक्शन कर रहे हैं? 2 का. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल फैक्टोरियल 3 फैक्टोरियल 2 फैक्टोरियल 3 माइनस 2. इट मींस फैक्टोरियल 3 फैक्टोरियल 2 फैक्टोरियल 1. दिस 3 into factorial 2 cancel out and what is this? 3. And here also it is coming 3. So these are the basic concepts for permutation and combinations. Still so many rules are there, but as we will do the questions later on, then I'll explain that rules also. But for basic knowledge, always remember this thing: permutation means arrangement and combination means selections. On the basis of this explanation, there is a one question. You have to solve this question and give the answers in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.